Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery, and this is today's 5-minute Friday, and the rain is tipping down here in the greenhouse, so it's the perfect time to do a bit of gardening inside, and it's nice and easy to do this one, and you get a lot of joy from doing this, especially as we approach the Christmas period. These make really good gifts. So I've got a container here, and I've got 3 really nice, easy to grow but very attractive houseplants, and we're going to plant them into this container. Now, one thing you might notice about this container is there are no holes in here. So the reason we do this, and the reason I'm planting it in here, is because it is going to end up on a windowsill, on a coffee table, on a kitchen table or something like that. We don't want water leaking everywhere, but it does mean we have to be a bit more cautious when watering it. So we often say don't overwater houseplants, in particular if you're going to plant them in something like this. But we've grown them in containers like this for years and years, and they're very successful. So what I'm going to do to begin with is put a little bit of compost in the base of this pot. So filling it around about sort of 1 inch or 2 of compost. That allows the plant to sit in at the right height. So that's the height we want it to do. So then when it comes to planting, this is a hedgerow, it's an ivy. They make brilliant house plants, and a good air purification plants as well. So we get the pot and give it a squeeze just to encourage the roots away from the side of the pot and just pull the plant out. And the nice thing about a hedgerow or an ivy is they trail over nicely and really break up the side of the container. Then in the centre, I'm going to put this Chamadorus parlour palm. Again, just squeeze in the pot and just place it in there. Don't push it down, just place it on the top of the compost. And lastly, this purple Tradescantia, which I'm going to place on the edge there, and this is another one again that will trail over the side of the container and always looks very attractive. Then that's all that's left to do is top up the compost. So we've got a hole down the front here, we just want to top up the compost, but we are topping up, we're not pushing the compost, we're not compacting it. Anyone that's seen my videos before will know that I've seen so many people compacting the compost, which just makes it harder for the roots to get into the fresh roots that we want it to produce, to grow. It just makes it harder. So we just top it up gently, lift any leaves out of the way if any leaves get in the way. It's simple as that, just to the top. Tap it down, just if the compost sinks a bit, just add a little bit more. And that is your container. Now that's going to be really easy to look after. Like I said, this works really well on a windowsill, kitchen table, coffee table, somewhere like that. Give it a little bit of water, but not too much. And from then on, you'll just enjoy it. Any questions at all, get in contact. We're here to help. See you soon.